Do you ever feel that you should have had a boy also, or you think that girls are equal to boys?
Initially, due to social pressure and all, family pressure and all. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay.
Finally, we got connected.
Yeah, we did.
Yes,
So, how are you doing?
yes. Fine, ma'am. Very well. Today, kids are at home. Their papers are going on. Tomorrow is their paper.
Okay.
So I was just helping them with their preparations.
Mhm. So, how old are
Yes,
your kids?
they are 12 years of age.
Both are 12?
Yes, both are twins actually.
Oh,
They
you
are
have,
twins. Twin
okay.
daughters. Yes,
Twin
yes. They're in
daughters.
class 7th.
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
Both are in same
Final exams are.
same class
Yes, same
section.
class.
Okay.
Yes.
So you were helping.
Earlier they were in different check. Yes, yes. I myself teach them only.
Okay. They are having their exam
Yes,
tomorrow.
yes, yes, yes. And they will continue till 12th of March. And 13th is Holi. So I will also get relaxed. you know, it's
So
get a big burden for children as well. They cannot play Holi. You know.
yeah, when exams get over before Holi, it's so relaxing. And when
Yes,
just after
yes,
Holi, if there is an exam just after Holi, then it's so stressful.
yes, yes, yes. Because previously they were having exams in Holi also at the time of Holi even. So they never enjoyed. This is the first time that they will enjoy Holi peacefully.
Okay.
And in other way, we can also relax and we can also play Holi in comfort, I think.
So what are your plans for
Yes.
Holi?
Right now, ma'am, there are no plans because totally I'm messed up with their exams. Nothing, no more. Right now, I cannot think of anything else
Hmm.
apart from their exams. Right now, exams are revolving my mind. That's it. To teach both of them all together. It's quite not. I won't say difficult, but my whole day passes teaching them only. Yes.
Okay.
Moreover, household chores, also surrounds you every time.
Hmm.
And I belongs to a business family, so there's no fixed time. My husband goes at 12. He has just left. So my whole day passes like this. You hardly find time for yourself to think
And
or to
you
plan anything.
you live with your in-laws?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. So what are you doing? So please start with your
Yes,
introduction.
yes. Actually, I'm Vibha. I have just started my YouTube channel. My passion to speak good English, to become fluent in English, that drove me to open my YouTube channel. I just opened it 1 year before,
Mhm.
where I post phrases, new words, and all, which in other way I can learn also. I feel so.
Okay.
So,
So
so in a way, I will also connect.
you
Yes.
started your YouTube channel 1 year ago. I mean, what is the response that you are getting?
Mom, response so far is not up to the mark, I would say. I feel sometimes it takes times. Moreover, I'm not able to give as much time as I can because family responsibilities, handling children, all of them are occupying me. So I feel after their exams will be over, I will give more time as much as I can give because I'm also giving not 100% to it. Until you devote yourself properly, you can't think of good results. I also feel I'm also lacking somewhere which I need to improve. That's
Right.
what I was saying, that I'm unable to find time for myself, which I need to take out if I want to go ahead in this field. Yes.
Okay, so did you ever work for a company? I mean, did you ever do a job before your marriage or after your marriage?
Yes, 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 ma'am. Actually, due to health issues, I had to quit after marriage. Before that, I was a teacher. I
Okay.
had worked for 5, 6 years, but after that, I had to leave due to health issues. And after that, just to raise twins, that was a big task for me, which I
Okay.
feel now I'm at ease because they are mature enough. They understand also my problems and all.
You worked
But
in
earlier,
school?
it was a bit difficult. Yes, yes. I was a teacher before that.
Mhm.
Yes.
So,
And from there, I think my passion to speak English evolved. In schools, English is must. I think it is mandatory. From there, I also thought to speak well. I do speak basic sentences, but I want to move ahead of it. I want to use advanced sentences using good content, good words, vocabulary, and all phrases. I want to use, which I'm unable to use, which I'm not able to use so far. Which I feel it's a lacking in me, which I'm trying to improve.
Okay. And what did you teach in that school?
Ma'am, I would take primary classes.
Okay, so you
Earlier,
teach all subjects.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So did you like teaching children?
Yes. Very much. That's why I teach my kids myself. Because, in a way, you are enhancing your knowledge also.
That's
I have
right.
learned a lot from social, English, science. I want to gain each and everything from where I can get. I want to grasp it.
I have
Because knowledge never go waste.
I have also taught my children till class 10. I used to give tuitions to children. So nearby children would come to my coaching center and I used to give tuitions for all subjects till class 8. But maths I would teach till class 10. So I used to teach spoken
Okay.
English also. Yeah. So my children also have never taken tuitions from outside.
Okay. My maths is very poor. I'm scared of maths always. Don't know why.
Maths is my favorite
I'm
subject.
up. Okay. I'm afraid of calculations and all.
Okay, what do you do for fun?
And yes, ma'am.
What do you do for fun?
For fun, uh, my fun, it would look little weird, but my fun also revolves around this language only. When I want to feel fresh, I just like I have taken session from you. I just find someone to talk with. This is my fun only. I feel very relaxed. I feel very good when I use some new sentence and when I speak fluently. I feel so good. I think this is my fun right now. I'm totally passionate. Right now, I cannot think of anything else. I know it would sound little odd, but really, this is the fact only. Until I become fluent, I will not take sea of relief. I know this.
Okay, since when have you become this passionate to learn spoken English?
Yes, actually, for 2, 3 years, I think. Actually, I have been speaking with my children since they were 3 to 4 years of age, because at that time they started responding to me. So I thought, why not to speak? Because at that time there were not so much facilities in phone, even like there right now. There are so many apps opening where you can go and communicate with people and all. But at that time, I would say 7 to 8 years before, there were not so many amenities and facilities which we are having today. So since they were 4 years old, at that time I started with them. I started communicating with them in English. Slowly. Yes, whenever I used to speak with them in Hindi, I feel little awkward. What am I doing? Am I missing something? Slowly, it just enhanced. I don't know how, and today it has reached at that peak that I cannot think of go back. I don't know where it's going to end, but I want to reach to that peak where anything comes to me, I can easily translate by using good words. My aim is that I'm
How
not thinking of my career. I'm not thinking of earning anything. Right now, my aim is this only. Want to speak as good as I can.
because they are twins? Was it difficult to raise them,
Yes,
when they were born?
it's very much difficult. I don't want to remember even those days when they were small. Due to if you are suffering when you are having twins, and if you are suffering with health issues, then it becomes double. And that was very difficult time for me. If you are health wise fine, then you can bear anything, but along with your health issues and to raise 2 kids all together, it was very difficult. If somebody asks me, do you have any memory at that time, I cannot tell anything. I know only those bad memories and all. I don't know when they started speaking or walking. I do not remember anything because my whole day went handling them, because they would not sleep. One of them would sleep at night, the other would sleep in the morning. So I would not get time to take a little nap even. Our situation was like this. So it was very, very difficult. That's why today I feel relaxed. Now they have reached to that level of age where I can think of myself, and they also understand me, because girls are more mature, I think, than boys.
Yes, yes.
Today I feel very much blessed to have daughters. They help me also.
Okay.
Yes.
So they express their love because girls are more expressive.
Yes, 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 very much. We have this social criteria that whenever girls are born, they are taken little in a different way. But I'm very blessed. Whatever, without my saying, without showing expression, they understand it. They understand it totally, and without telling any single word, they already do that work. So I feel very good how much hardship I went through. Today it's the time to pay it back, and God is paying it back. So I feel very blessed to have daughters.
Wow. I also have a daughter, and I feel that girls are more expressive. She expresses her love. She
Yes,
says, I love you. She comes and hugs me. My son, he also loves me. I know. I can feel it, but he would never come to me and say he loves me, and he wouldn't
yes, yes,
come and hug me. But boys and men, they are bad at expressing their emotions. They're not
yes,
that
yes.
good. Yeah.
Exactly, exactly.
So they are closer to you or their father.
They're closer to me because I teach them. They are with me whole day, so they are closer to me.
Mm.
Yes,
And how are they doing in school?
they are doing good. Only the thing is that ma'am complains about them. It's not complaining. She always say they should be more extrovert. They are quite introvert. If they are asked some questions, then they tell. Otherwise, they are not aware. They are little hesitant. If my answer would be wrong, what would ma'am think? So I feel they are quite good in studies. Only this kind of behavior, I want to get rid of them. So how to do this? I used to think. They are not overcoming that. Only my problem is this.
I
One is still
also feel
confident.
there are many children whose their brains are very sharp, but they would not speak
Yes.
a word in the class. But when their result comes, everyone gets shocked looking at their score because they never speak up in the class, but they do so well in exams. There are so many
Yes,
children
yes.
like that. Yeah.
Same is with them. One is still confident, other one do not get the confidence. I don't know why. We just do make them free totally. Nobody scolds them. One of them is just like this. She already thinks of something else. Like if I'll say this, what would be the result? I think she's an overthinker. So
Mhm.
I'm just trying to figure out how to just improve this behavior.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
I have also asked, yes. I think time is a with time she can improve it. But right now she has this kind of problem. I won't say problem. I think she's little shy. Though she's very good in drawing, she's very good in yoga. She dances very well. Only because children are very smart. They are very bold today. They are very open up. If we have to compete them, we will have to be little bold. We need to go according to the time.
Yes, yes, yes. So, do they share their problems with you? I mean, anything that they are feeling, whatever problems they are facing at school or otherwise, do they tell you everything? Both of them? Or they share with each other?
They share with each other also, and they do share with me also. Many times they would say that when we ask from our friends, they say we do not share anything with our mother, but you share each and everything. Your mother is so cool. How come? They say we share each and everything with our mother. So that's a very good thing
Yeah,
because
that's
I do not scold them. I also become like child. I also become childlike with them whenever they discuss anything or anything odd. I just treat like a child. Because if at this time I'll scold them or anything, they will try start hiding with me. Even that would not be good for them.
if you should listen patiently and try not to judge them,
Yes,
because if you start judging them and passing comments and reacting in a bad manner, they will stop
yes,
sharing their feelings with you, and they will start hiding,
yes,
and once they start hiding it, then there is no looking back. Then they will find other people to share their feelings with. But it's important that a parent children bond is good and they keep sharing
yes,
everything with you. That's very important. And
yes.
do they tell everything to their father also? No?
They do. I think one of them must be strict also. If he's strict, I think this is good part. If I am not strict, he should be strict. At least they should have a little fear of any one of us. I feel so. So we both have balanced.
Okay, so you
Means
are
sometimes
very
if they
frank
do not
with
listen to me,
you are very frank
yes,
and lenient with them, and your husband is a bit strict with them. Not too much.
yes, yes, yes. No, 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 no. Means if they sometimes they do not listen to me, so I just complain. I just complain to their father, and they just get little scared. So this is the way we have balanced it. It is necessary also, because children are children afterwards, no? Sometimes they become they show too many tantrums and become pampered and all, so it's necessary, I think, somewhere to be
Okay.
strict with them.
Do you ever feel that you should have had a boy also, or you think that girls are equal to boys, so I don't feel anything?
Initially, due to social pressure and all, family pressure and all, girls are enough. The kind of love which I'm getting from them, though both of them give equal love, but in today's time, if we think that boys will do us this and that, even boys are living separately just due to their job, job and all. They are also moving at different places. So I have seen elderly people living alone these days. Even though they have boys, still they are living alone. So I don't think there is any difference between girl and boy.
Yes.
The kind of emotion which girl will understand, I don't think boys will understand in that manner. I feel somewhere.
Yes, I also
So
feel
I'm very
that.
blessed, and
Yes.
yes,
Because
yes,
if you think that you have a boy and he will take care of you for your whole life
yes.
in your retirement age, that is not going to
It's
happen.
a illusion.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Nobody is doing that. Moreover, I feel that that is kind of a selfish thing, that you raise a boy and
yes,
expect thousands of things from
yes,
them. When you raise a girl, you don't
yes,
expect anything from them. It's being partial. It's not right.
yes,
You expect so many things
yes,
from
yes,
boys. You don't expect anything from girls.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
And why to depend on any one of them?
Right. Right.
God is with you. Why to depend?
Yes.
It's
I
not
think.
correct. You
Yeah.
you do your duty. That's enough, I feel.
Yes. I think a couple should do so much work in their prime age. They should work so well that they are not dependent on anybody in their retirement
Yes,
age. And if they
yes,
love their
yes,
children unconditionally, they would love to spend on their parents. But don't
yes,
think that yes, that is your bank balance, that is going to become your ATM in future.
yes,
That is
yes.
not the right thing to do.
Yes, yes, yes. And I think we should raise our children in this way that they become like this automatically.
Hmm.
We don't need to teach them these things.
Right,
These
right.
things come, I think, by birth also. The way you raise your children, the kind of manners, the kind of things you teach them, it automatically makes child like this. You don't need to inculcate anything in
Correct.
them. I think the
Just
surrounding in which he lives. Yes,
we just speaking of good values, but we don't follow them. They are seeing us. Seeing is
yes,
believing. So when we
yes,
care for our adults, when we take care of them, they are seeing us. So they
yes,
respect us for that, and they would like to do that in
yes,
future. But if we misbehave with our elders, with our
yes,
senior people, then they are seeing
yes,
everything. Many people think
yes,
our children will take care of us, but we are not going to do anything for our parents. So that is not going to
yes, yes,
do it for you. Yeah.
yes. More than teaching them, they follow us
Yes.
actually.
Yes.
Means many times whatever I do, means there are so many work I do while eating. Means if somebody is at the door, so while eating, I just get up and I open the door, and so many works in between I keep on doing. And whenever they get up while eating, I always interrupt them. Why are you getting up? Mama, you also get up while eating. So more than preaching them, they follow us many times.
Hmm.
So we need to become the role model for them
Correct. And
if we want to inculcate good behavior.
actions definitely speak louder than words.
Yes,
So whatever you teach them,
yes,
unless
yes,
you are following them, they are never going to follow it.
yes, yes. You're absolutely right.
Yes, yes. So, okay, then you are going to teach your daughters and they are waiting for you. They are
Yes,
having their exams. I think, yeah, you
yes.
should just go and teach them and good luck for their exams. I hope they do very well. And yeah, all the best for your channel as well. It was so lovely
Thank
connecting
you,
with
thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Okay, then.
Thank you for. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.